Hi Rajesh sir, good morning. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, good morning, Jignesh. How are you?
All well sir. Hope you are doing good.
Yeah, all good.
Yes sir. Sir, just wanted to check what's the view on the market.
So, looking at the current level, we are heading for this July series expiry in this week. And as the Nifty is, comfortably trading above 11,000 level, so that is, a positive sign for the near term to short term trend also. So, looking at the current level, even if you look at the derivative data also, the one cautious point which we have discussed earlier also that, PCR has inched up. And during the week, we have seen, it has moved to the level of around 1.90 during the day, as well as, now currently it's quoting at around 1.5455 zone. So which is one sign of caution at the current juncture. So we expect, market to consolidate further for a few more trading session in the range, like, we are expecting a range of 11,000 to 11,300. This could be the broader range we can see for few more trading sessions. And once we get the breakout or breakdown of this range, then we'll see fresh direction in the market. But those who are trader, those who are taking position for, very short period of time, so they should now keep their stop loss of long position at around 11,050 level, which is very important level for the market as of now. Till we are holding this level, one should adopt a buy on dips kind of strategy. On the higher side, 11,250, 11,300 are the immediate resistance area. But looking at the broader setup, looking at the broader uh, stock specific action which we have seen in the last 1 or 2 months, we are holding a bullish view, and we expect that, market will continue its upward momentum towards 11,400, 500 in the coming weeks. So buy on dips should be your strategy. Keep a stop loss of 11,050, or you can keep a stop loss of 11,000 till we are holding these levels. One should remain on the long side. So now moving to the banking sector, like, Bank Nifty, if I go with the Bank Nifty setup, so Bank Nifty is struggling to hold this 22,400, which is very important level as of now for the Bank Nifty on the higher side. So till we are not able to cross and sustain above week on week basis above this 22,400, there would be some, profit booking we can witness on the higher side. And as the result season is also going up, and we have seen, there is no much positive on the banking front in terms of financial results. So market is still, waiting for, some positive triggers on the banking space. Market will further wait to take a big call on the banking and financial space. So I feel, Bank Nifty would like to continue, like, underperformance we can see in the Bank Nifty going forward. And most probably, if I talk about the broader range of the Bank Nifty, so 23,500 to 21,000, this could be a broader range we can see in the Bank Nifty going forward. But for near-term traders, the immediate support area for Bank Nifty is at around 21,500. So those who are trader, those who are taking position for short-term trading point of view, they should keep their stop loss at 21,500, followed by 21,000. This could be the next level where Bank Nifty can get some support buying action. Though on the higher side, the immediate level, as I mentioned, 22,400 for the Bank Nifty, followed by the another level is at around 23,000. So for near-term trader, 21,500 has to be stop loss to buy any position in dips for Bank Nifty.
Sir, just wanted to check, any sectors or stock that you think are doing good or will be exciting in times to come?
So, looking at the IT stocks, post result of all big IT companies, we have seen, a lot of buying action was there in the IT space. And overall IT indices is trading in the bullish zone. It's trading near to almost all-time high level. And looking at the other stocks in the IT pack like Infosys, Tech Mahindra, TCS, these three stocks are looking very attractive in the IT space. So one should remain on the long side in the IT space. This space is looking attractive based on the technical setup. And we feel, this buying interest is likely to continue in the IT space. So IT is the one space where we like, one should try to buy the stock near to support area. Another stock is another sector which is looking attractive at the current juncture is the automobile space. Especially in automobile, we like, two-wheeler space. just because of, because now everybody is following this social distancing, and people are avoiding this public transportation and they are moving to two-wheeler, they are buying two-wheeler. So this is ground check which we have seen, a lot of buying action is happening on the two-wheeler space. So two-wheeler stocks, especially TVS Motor, Hero Motor and Bajaj Auto, these three stocks we like from the automobile space. Even from the four-wheeler pick, we continue to hold our bullish stance on this M&M also. So these two sectors are looking very attractive for short-term trading perspective. Some stocks which are still looking attractive from the healthcare segment, Apollo Hospital one can look at, as well as Asian Paint. This is another space, and FMCG is another stock. FMCG pack is another pack where we have already seen the corrective action. So stock like Hind Unilever, Britannia, Marico, these three stocks one can focus to buy in the decline.
Sir, any comment on the results? Are you happy?
See, still, we are not able to assess based on the result what is the impact based after this lockdown. So still, we have to wait for another quarter to pass, and then we'll be able to assess actual the impact on their balance sheet of the companies. But some of the space like IT space has shown decent result. FMCG is also showing decent numbers. Some of the manufacturing industries and companies has shown some negativity in terms of, because of they have taken hit because of this lockdown to their business. But I think financial sector is still under watch. So I think one should wait for another quarter to pass, then only be able to assess the long-term picture of the companies, how they are going to cope up after this, unlock activity. So I think one should wait for another quarter to take a long-term bet for all these sectors.
Finally, sir, while you have covered the equity market very nicely, sir, one question which I just want to, check with you is, gold price 52,000 and equity also market looking good. Do you think the trends will continue, sir?
This is very surprising, things are happening, generally whenever gold moves to equity, seems to be in the correction mode. But this is, unexceptional activity which is happening across the globe in terms of, post this pandemic. Gold prices, silver prices are moving up, and equity market is also trading at higher level. Even the US markets are almost trading near to all-time high level. So yes, looking at the setup, looking at the breakout which we have seen in the gold, we believe that, gold can further move higher, and we are expecting a target of 58,000 to 60,000 for the gold. And in the silver, again, the kind of breakout which we have seen in the last week, we expect that, if silver continues to trade above 62,000, 60,000 level, then possible upside we can see in the silver towards 75,000 in the coming weeks. So we are holding bullish view for the gold as well as for the silver.
Sir, it's always a pleasure to talk to you. Your wealth of knowledge, and thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you.